Here is a quick guide how to install n8n, the community edition, so basically the free version of it. For this, to install it on our own computer, which will be basically for free because you don't even have to pay the hosting to deploy it somewhere else, you need Docker, and in Windows you need to install a separate feature which is called WSL, but Docker will propose to install this anyway during the installation phase, so you might not need to do anything special about it. So let's go into it. First, you have to download Docker Desktop, which you would find on the docker.com website, and you will have to download the version which fits your platform. I will not download it right now because I have it already installed. So the next step that you would do is, after you install it, open the Docker Desktop and go to Docker Hub. On the Docker Hub, you will search for n8n, and here you will find many n8n hits, because in this marketplace with images, you would find also versions, custom versions made by different people, but we are interested in the official version, which is the first one, and you can easily identify it because it has 100 million downloads. So we'll take this one, and we are going to do run directly, which will also do the downloading in the background. This will take a while because it's a few good hundreds of megabytes image. And in the meanwhile, I will explain what this Docker is all about. So Docker allows you to run applications in some sort of, they call containers, which means they are isolated from the rest of your applications and from the rest of your computer. Why we want to do that is because when we run services like n8n, which is a server-side application, is like a web application, it comes with a lot of middleware, so a lot of other software around it, and a lot of settings. So we want to have the whole thing in one package, so we don't have to bother with anything. So it comes pre-configured for us. So I see the download is over. So we are going to name this container n8n, and we are going to tell it here to run on the port 5678. So you can just take the port from here to put again here. This with enter 0 to assign a port randomly, I would not recommend, because you would like to know exactly what port did you choose, especially to avoid conflicts with other applications which may run on the same port. So I will run it now, and you will see that it starts. Here we can see directly the logs. Okay, so it started pretty quickly. And now if we press this link here, we will access directly our new n8n local deployment. Now let's put an email here. So now basically we created our first account here. Okay, describe the company. Let's see if we can skip this. Yeah, okay. Send me a free license key. Yeah, you want to do that because this will activate a few extra features. So I put a valid email address here. So I will go on with this step. And then after I will receive by email this key, I can go here, it's the settings, and I can put here enter activation key. So in the meanwhile, probably I received the key, hopefully. Yes, I did. So I will copy it from the email, I'll put it here, and I will activate it. And here soon I will have a registered badge. Probably I have to, let's see if I refresh. Yes, you see, it's registered. So now I have all the features that are available in Community Edition, and I can start creating flow.